Hello guys, welcome back to PHP tutorial part 2. In the second part of this tutorial, we are going to learn about what are the necessary software components need in your computer for starting the PHP programming. We already know that PHP is a scripting language. So in order to run a PHP script in your computer, you need a web server. Wamp server is the most common and most popular web server used for PHP programming. So here I am going to explain how to download and install wamp server in your computer. So for downloading wamp server, open up your browser. You can choose any of your favorite search engine. Here I am going to use the Google search engine. Just type wamp server download. Okay, in the first link on the search result you can see a wampserver.com. From this website you will get an appropriate version of wamp server for your computer. So just go to that link. This website is more attractive, and go to the bottom of here is the option for downloading the wamp server for your computer. Here you can see that wamp server for 32-bit. Here is the wamp server for 64-bit with PHP version 5.4. Before download, you need to know whether your operating system is 64 or 32-bit. For checking that, just right click your my computer properties, take the properties, and here is the system type is 64-bit operating system. I using Windows 7 64-bit, so I have to download the 64-bit version of wamp server. So here is my link, wamp server 64-bit and PHP version 5.4. I just click that link. Okay, here is some warnings. You can see some warnings are here. So you need to install the Visual C++ Service Pack 1 redistributable package for running the wamp server in Windows. If this package is missing on your computer, the wamp server may fail to load. So you need to download this package for installing before installing wamp server. So here is the 32-bit version of this package, and here is the 64-bit. I am using a 64-bit operating system, so now I am going to download this package. Now we are directly entering into the Microsoft website. Here is the Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Service Pack 1 redistributable package download option. You need to choose your default language and click this download. And after successful downloading, you will get this package, and I'm going to install it. Okay, this package is already available in my computer, that's why this repair or remove option is available. If this package is not present in your computer, you can go through this installer and click finish for completely installing this package in your computer. So here already this package is available in my computer, so I just cancel this lizard. Now I am going to download that wamp server again, so go back. Okay, now choose my link. Here is the link, click. Now this package is already available in my computer, so now I have to download the wamp server directly. So I just clicked it. Here you can see that the information says that download will start in 0 seconds. Okay, here is the download option. It is of about 30 MB of size. I just click start download. Okay, after successfully download that package, you will get an installer with an icon like this. By double clicking this icon, you can install wamp server in your computer. Now I am going to install wamp server, so I double click that icon. Okay, here is the wamp server installer window is appear. I click next. You need to accept the license agreement. Click next. Here I am going to install wamp server in C drive of my computer. If you need to install it in any other location, you can browse to that location from here. It also create a folder called wamp in my computer C drive. Click next. In my computer, that folder is already exist. I have to create a desktop icon and click next. Now click install. Here the installer now install wamp server in my computer. Okay, now this uh, this this window is open for to choose your web browser, your default web browser. So here I am going to select my web browser. I just Google Chrome, choose Google Chrome and click open. Would you like to install new wamp server to home page? Yes. Now the installer will finalize the installation of wamp server. Wait a little bit time. Okay, here is there are two options, SMTP and email. If you want to use the PHP mail function, then you need to specify the SMTP and your email address. Here I am not going to use it now and click next. Now I am going to launch the wamp server now and click finish. Now the wamp server is started in my computer. You can see an icon is present on the toolbar of my computer. You can see that the icon color is changed into green. This indicates that all the service available in the wamp server is running now. If the color of this icon is turned into yellow, that indicates that not all the service in that wamp server is running, but some services are running. If it is turned into red, which indicates that wamp server is now not running. Now you can control the wamp server by using these options. Now I am going to stop the all service. Now you can see that the wamp server icon is turned into red. Again I start all service. Now you can first it is converted into an yellow and converted into green. This green icon indicates that all services in the wamp server is running now. Now you can check the home page of your wamp server. Just go to your browser and type localhost. Okay, here is the home page of wamp server. Here is the homepage of wamp server, but version 2.4.4, and here is the PHP version in that server 5.4.12. Okay guys, now you are successfully configure and install wamp server in your computer. The wamp server is also have, you can see that a MySQL version here. The wamp server is integrated with MySQL, so you can easily using MySQL database with wamp server. You can see the MySQL version here, and from PHP myadmin, by using the PHP myadmin you can use the MySQL database here. You have to specify your MySQL username and password here. By logging into this, you can easily use the MySQL database with wamp server. One more thing, you need to just go to the installing directories of wamp server. I install wamp server in C drive, and there is a folder called wamp, and also there is a folder called folder label www. Open that folder. Now if you want to run a PHP file on wamp server, you need to save that file into this directory. So for the fast access and suitable handling, you have to create a shortcut of this folder on desktop. So right click that folder and send it to desktop. Now you can see that a shortcut of that folder is available in desktop. Now you can easily put your PHP files into this folder, and you can easily access that files into your wamp server. Guys, this is how we installing the wamp server in Windows. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. In the next part of this tutorial onwards, we are entering into the PHP programming. See you in the next part of this tutorial.